Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to copy and paste on iPhone. If you enjoy this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. Now let's move to files. So guys, if you want to copy any files here and paste it in any destination you want, it's very simple. For example, if I want to copy this file, press and hold it like this and tap copy. Then go to any destination you want, for example here, and press and hold the empty place, for example here, and tap paste. So that's it, how you can copy and paste. The same if you want to move the folder, like for example, if you want to move this file to the folder, press and hold this and tap move and select the destination that you want to move this folder. So that's it, how you can copy and paste. Thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and see you in the next video.